Thank you for buying this 21940-62 elephant ear metal art from Fixture Displays. This is a beautiful decorative piece. You can rearrange the sequence, the angle, the bend of the stems and leaf. Make that an interesting display. You can also hang your earrings, your jewelry, your necklaces on it. It's just make a beautiful vanity or nightstand or a countertop display. You're gonna love this item. Assembly is super easy. There's a full-length video in description field as well. In this 21940 metal art series, we have many different designs from persons to pets, dogs, cats, and plants. I encourage you to get a few. They are all wonderful display units that are post-modern. You're gonna love this collection. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.